Hey loves, it's Belinda, Selene, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be not your typical clean with me video because Ricardo is going to be doing the voiceover. I'm so interested. I'm kind of scared of what he's gonna say. I don't know why. He's just like a funny person, and it's in collaboration with my friend MissLizHeart, which if you guys don't know her, you guys have to head on over to her channel after watching this video because she is so cute. Like, oh my god, her home decor style, her fashion sense, like she's so cute being a mommy. Like, she is just like perfect. So you guys have to check her out after watching this video. I've seen a lot of husbands do the voiceover for makeup tutorials, but I saw a video on this channel. It's called Awesome Family of 8, and the husband did the voiceover on a cleaning video, and it gave me the most amazing idea. So I'll have her link down below so you guys can watch that channel because it's pretty funny, and I'll have Miss Liz's channel so you guys can watch her video after this. And now let's get into it.
Hi guys, I like turtles. La-di-da-di-da. Oh my god, this book is literal trash. Ooh, my shoes. I always yell at Ricardo for not putting away his shoes. I should probably stop yelling at him. Wow, there's a lot of pillows to clean up. I should probably throw away some of these. Or one of these. This will be on my next declutter video. Dysons are so clutch in little areas. You can use them on little carpets. So good, so easy. Watch me bend the knees. It's a cleaning video without watching Family Guy in the background. I mean, I gotta have Family Guy in the background. I mean, look at this Dyson. You can just, so easy to throw away. Now I'm going to dusting. I'm dusting the windows. This is probably the first time I did this in the house because this house is so dusty. Dusting. Just each one, you gotta make sure you get in each crack, each crevice, make it nice and clean. Gotta clean our little family pictures, cleaning around the books. Look at this. Look how dirty this is. Uh-oh. Kitchen clean time. Look at, ooh, Jack. Love my Jack mug, but he needs a wash. Ricardo usually cleans the kitchen. I love him for that. He does such a great job cleaning around the house, but today I am doing this. We have a clutch dishwasher. This dishwasher is so clutch. Pans. I don't like putting pans into the dishwasher because it eliminates some of the textures on the pan. So we hand wash these, and the favorite mugs, you gotta hand wash them. You can't risk breaking those into the washer. So we hand wash the mugs. Ooh. Look at my face. That must have stank. When something stank like that, you want to put in a plastic bag first before you throw it away. It just eliminates the smell. Ooh, Myers. Ooh, apple cider. What a wonderful smell it creates in the kitchen. Right now, you got to get into all these, like I said before, get into every crack, every crevice. Right now, I'm still using the Myers, scrubbing around the stove. Gotta put everything back into place. Gotta keep scrubbing the front. Here we go with the Dyson again. I love this little Dyson. Can use this on the floors. Can use this on little carpets. Just keep on Dyson. That's what I hear. That's what I hear. You should just do. Just keep Dyson. Move the chairs real quick. Move them with one swoop. Couldn't even see that. Time to use my Fabuloso. Yeah, I love it. I love the smell. I love the color purple. Gotta shake it. Get them flowing with the water. Dilute it a little bit. Right now, this is good for the floors, the nice floors we have. It's not as harmful. Gives them a nice shine. Gotta love that Fabulosa with a nice little mop. Man, this is very hard. Very a lot of floor. We got a lot of floor. Just gotta keep at it. Look at the shine. I mean, you gotta be pleased with the shine. Now I'm going to use some vinegar. Cook it up for a little bit in the microwave for 2 minutes. Don't exactly know why I did it for 2 minutes. It just looked like a good number. Now I'm gonna add some Dove soap with this vinegar. spill it a little bit on the counter. Probably have to clean that again. Put it in a nice little spray cup, shake it up again. I'm showing now a before. Look at all that super crust. We're gonna eliminate the crust. Right now I'm gonna work my way back to the front from less crusty to more crusty. Get the insides real good first. Let it sit for about, like the video says, 15 minutes. Then just simply wipe it off. It's just that simple, guys. Just that simple. With this wonderful juice mix I created, you gotta remember 2 minutes in the microwave. After, wow, look what a job this unique use of spray, unique combination. Wow, I don't know why I leave these in there. I always tell myself I should throw these away, but I constantly just leave them there. Now we're getting to the toilet. We're using this method. Scrub, get into again, just every crevice. Just gotta get all up in there. Shake out the mats. Gotta shake the mats. Get all the dust and stuff on the floor, because we're gonna come back and clean them. Right now we're cleaning the sink area. Gotta go from top to bottom. We're cleaning now the mirror after we clean the sink, just as I said. Oh, like I said, Dyson, just keep Dyson. Such a great tool.
That is everything for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give it a big thumbs up if you did. And I feel like this is such a fun, entertaining video to watch that I want to see more people do it. So I tag Love Meg, April Athena, and Alexander Buter to have their husbands do a voiceover on their Clean With Me video, since they often do Clean With Me videos. And now head on over to MissLizHeart channel. That way you guys can see her video. And I said video like a million times in this video. Okay, I'll talk to you guys next time. Which is this, so mwah.